The English garden. It's refreshing, light and cooling. It's reminiscent of the summer whilst the Euros are on, with copious amounts of booze, incinerated attempts of a barbecue, the sound of police sirens in the air, drown out your neighbour's shitty summer playlist. And if England lose, I'm going to drown my sorrows by necking a crate of Stella and launching patio furniture at my neighbours. The ingredient lineup: gin, apple juice, the stepchild of the liqueur world, Saint Germain, fresh lime juice and cucumber. Okay, let's kick this one off by topping and tailing our cucumber and using a wide peeler to make a ribbon of it. Now carefully wrap this across the inside of a Collins glass. Add to your shaker 1.5 ounces, that's 45ml of gin. Then add 2 ounces, that's 60ml of apple juice. Now this is a bit of a gamble for my personal taste, but add 1 ounce, that's 30ml of Saint Germain or an elderflower liqueur of your choice. Lastly, let's liven this up by adding 1 ounce, that's 30ml of fresh lime juice. Add ice to your shaker and shake for 10 to 13 seconds. Carefully stack some ice in your glass like you're playing Jenga and double strain. For the garnish, we're going to be doing an apple fan. Now these can be quite fiddly, but the key is all about balance, remaining calm and just working quickly, as apples can oxidise quite quickly once they're cut. The taste test. I really like this drink, it goes down really easy. I think it's suited for chilling out in the garden or brunch style drinks. And you know what? The Saint Germain is really starting to grow on me as an ingredient, because the past couple of cocktails I had, it hasn't overwhelmed me too much. So fair play. Give the subscribe button a good dry slap and most will enjoy. Have a couple more and behave yourselves.